Motilal Oswal Multi-Cap Fund. Do you think investing in a multi-cap fund like Motilal Oswal will help you create wealth in the long run? Do you think this will add value to your investment portfolio? Let us find out in a detailed review in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals faster and smarter. So, Motilal Oswal Multi-Cap Fund is an NFO which opens on 28th May 2024 and is open until 11th June 2024. So, before taking a look at the features and the structure of this multi-cap fund, first let us understand what is a multi-cap fund. A multi-cap fund is a diversified mutual fund that can invest across different market capitalization. So, according to SEBI, it must be invested in small cap, mid cap, and large cap stocks each by 25%. So, the remaining 25% is in the fund manager's command. So now let's take a look at the features of this multi-cap fund. So this is an open-ended type of fund and it has Nifty 500 multi-cap 50 25 25 TRI index as its benchmark, and the minimum amount for application here is just 500 rupees, and there is no entry load present in this fund, and the monthly SIP for this fund is a minimum rupees of 500. The fund managers for this fund are Mr. Ajay Khandalwal, Mr. Atul Mehra, Mr. Nikat Shah, Mr. Santosh Singh, and Mr. Rakesh Shetty. As we have looked at the basic features of this fund, now let us take a look at the investment objective of this fund. The investment objective of this fund is to provide investors with opportunities for long-term growth in capital from a diversified portfolio of equity and equity-related instruments across different market capitalization. So their primary investment strategy is to invest in different market capitalization to provide a diversified allocation to the investor. Also, they use the bottom down approach for investing, where they look for the viability of the business than the sector of the operation. So here, as this is a very active managed fund and it's a multi-cap fund, they focus more on undervalued stocks using the active stock selection. Unlike a passively managed fund, as this is an actively managed fund, they're actively looking to add and exclude stocks for the benefit of the multi-cap fund according to the market trends and ups and downs. So now let us see what are the potential merits that we can get by investing in the Motilal Oswal Multi-Cap Fund. So as we have previously discussed, this fund uses the bottom-down approach where they look at the viability of the business. So the potential sector bias might get eliminated when investing in this fund. So this can also align with your long-term financial goals, as this is a fund where, as it's a riskier fund, if you stay committed to this fund for a long term, you might get potential return. So choosing this fund to achieve your financial goals might be a suitable fit instead of choosing to invest in this fund to achieve your short term financial goals. Also, there is privilege of investment across different market capitalization. You're just not stuck into one sector, like small cap, mid cap, or large cap. You have the privilege of investing across different market capitalization. Also, another merit is there is a potential of maintaining a diversified portfolio, which can also add less investment risk compared to just investing in a small cap or mid cap funds. So there is potential for capital appreciation in the long run. As we have looked at the potential merits in this one, it's also equally important to take a look at the potential demerits. So the potential demerits here is, first of all, over diversification. As we are over diversifying a portfolio by investing in different market capitalization, the over diversification might occur, which in turn might dilute your overall return. Also, the fund management style for this particular fund is unknown, as is an NFO. So, as an NFO, it also has no track record where we cannot analyze the performance and take a calculated risk. Instead, you are taking a blind risk by investing in this fund. As there is no track record, we also do not have any clear idea about the stocks to be selected to be added to this fund. As we have no clear idea, we cannot analyze the stocks also inside the portfolio. So, this might be a riskier fund to choose to invest in. So now we have looked at the features, the potential merits, demerits, and we have come to basic understanding from this analysis. But what is the final takeaway from this analysis? Should we invest in a Motilal Oswal multi-cap fund or not? As we have already discussed and seen from the analysis, this is an NFO where there is no track record, where we do not have the clear idea about which stocks are going to be selected. We do not know what kind of performance is going to perform. We have no track record to compare. Also, we do not know what kind of stocks there are. So, without having any clear idea about the stocks to be selected, how can we analyze the stocks inside the portfolio to see if it will better perform or not? So, our personal opinion is it's better if you avoid this fund and choose a existing mutual fund that has a track record for minimum of 7 to 10 years, because a minimum of 7 to 10 years will be good for investing in a riskier fund, because in that 7 to 10 years the market will go through a phase of positive return, low return, no return, negative return, all kinds of phases, and complete the market cycle and give you the potential higher return you want also. If there is a track record for already of 7 to 10 years, you can compare how it has performed in the complete market cycle. So choosing an existing mutual fund compared to choosing an NFO like Motilal Oswal multi-cap fund will be more beneficial if you want to invest in a existing mutual fund, which is a multi-cap fund. Also, without proper portfolio and research investment, this investment is very risky, so it's better to avoid this fund. But if you really want to invest in this fund and see how it performs, you can invest in this fund on an experiment basis from your satellite portfolio, not from your core investment portfolio, but your satellite portfolio where you have spare money to invest, where you want to experiment and see how it goes. So you can start investing in this fund with a minimum investment. But before investing in any kind of fund or taking any financial or investment decisions, our personal opinion is if you involve a professional in the whole process, your investment journey will become very smoother and easier. If you choose to involve a professional financial planner or a professional mutual fund distributor, they will understand your risk profile, your investment objective, and see if your investment portfolio overlaps with this portfolio of this fund, and see what is the overlap ratio between these two, and see if it aligns with your goals, and will actually personalize investment strategy. A professional financial planner will personalize the investment strategy and a financial plan to achieve your financial goals in a faster and smarter way. So involving a professional in this whole investment process will help you achieve your financial goals more easier and make it more smoother. So if you have any doubts and you want professional guidance from a professional financial planner, you can choose to have a one-on-one consultation with one of a professional financial planner through the link in the description by registering for it. Also, if you want to gain more investment knowledge or finance knowledge from leading experts from this finance industry, then you can also choose to register for a free live webinar which we regularly conduct through the link in the description. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come back with more such financially beneficial videos for you. Thank you for watching.